Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Another simple yet tasty side dish for both chapati as well as rice. We'll make everyone's favorite, a potato fry, South Indian. Here I have taken 5 potatoes, boiled, peeled and chopped into pieces. In a blender jar, take 1 small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 green chillies, and we'll make this into a paste. In a heavy kadai, take about 2 tablespoons of oil, add some mustard seeds, chana dal, a little bit of hing, a few curry leaves. Now I am adding this ginger and green chilli paste. I didn't add water, just crush it without adding water. See, by adding ginger, it becomes easy to digest the potatoes also, and the green chillies add a good flavor to it. So that is my twist to this recipe. Then add 1 onion chopped or sliced and saute the onions also. Next add in turmeric powder, salt, just 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. Remember, we have already added green chillies for the spice. Fry it till the onions become transparent. Now finally add in these peeled and chopped potatoes. Even when boiling the potatoes, see that they don't become mushy. They should be about 80% boiled. Then rest of the cooking takes place when we roast it in the kadai like this. Mix it well and just add 1 more spoon of oil and allow it to cook on a low to medium flame till it gets a lovely coating on the outside. Our potatoes are perfectly done with that lovely crusty reddish brown color on the outside. Now we can switch it off. We are ready to serve out our potato fry. Today I have shown you with chapatis. It's an excellent combination for sambar rice, curd rice, dal rice, rasam rice, anything. It's a very good combination with rice. Definitely try out this simple yet tasty recipe which can be prepared easily at home. In this series of side dishes, we are bringing to you simple and easy recipes which are at the same time awesome in taste, especially for beginners too, and those who are new to cooking. You can definitely try out this, and which can be made in a very short time also. Try out this absolutely tasty potato fry, and if you like the recipe, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.